Remedium One initiated Trident in October 2017 with 6 sites on board. Within a year of initiation, Sri Lanka became the forerunner in recruitment, overtaking countries such as Australia and United Kingdom. The dedication of the staff to achieve the set goals was the key to this success. However, for Remedians, achieving the set goals was not enough. About a year ago, achieving a target of 8 to 10 recruitments in a month, though good by world standards, was not enough for Remedium One. True to our vision, our team aspired to be better, to be a role model to the industry. The dedicated men and women of Remedium One knew that they had it in themselves to set a gold standard not only for themselves but for the whole world as well.
Hi there, my name's Natalie Espinosa, and by now you've probably seen my name on a lot of emails, on a lot of open queries, and on a lot of other Trident documents. I am a senior CRA and I work at the George Institute for Global Health in Sydney, Australia. It is my greatest privilege to let you know that you guys have achieved the most amazing milestone and you've now recruited the 500th Sri Lankan patient into the Trident study. I would like to congratulate you all on this amazing achievement and thank you for all of the hard work, your dedication and the care that you show to your patients, and of course thank you also for your ongoing commitment to recruitment into the study. Keep up the excellent work. Congratulations once again from myself and from all of my team at the CCC. I cannot wait till I get to visit Sri Lanka again, and all the best for now and speak to you all soon. Bye guys.
Hi all. Big congratulations to all of you on achieving the 500 patient recruitment. So you guys have done a wonderful job while maintaining the best data quality. But 500 is not the end of the road for us. We have 150 more to go. So continue to pay attention to your data. Look into your EDC queries on time, input your data into the database on time, and I'm sure you will achieve 650 in no time. I'm very proud to have worked with such a wonderful, dedicated team. All the best for 650. Thank you.
Turning around a study that was slow recruiting at a steady pace was an orbit-shifting challenge for Remedium One. So much so that it was equated to conquering K2, one of the toughest mountains in the world to conquer. Trident is our K2. In Trident, we learn to think out of the box, overcome major obstacles to ensure that our patients remain in the trial. We never lost our focus on quality and our commitment to be the most valued partner to our clients. We literally did the impossible of turning around the recruitment to what it is today. Even during COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown in Sri Lanka, we thought of innovative solutions to make sure that our patients received the best care and the research integrity was not compromised. We were the only country that continued trial follow-up visits. We were also the only country that continued with patient recruitment during a complete lockdown.
We started Trident study in 2017. Today we reached an important milestone, that is 500 patient screening. So I take this as an opportunity to thank all my coordinators, project leads and investigators, and those who supported for us for the Trident journey. So this is not the end of the journey. We have to go for another 150. So I know all my coordinators, they have a passion and dedications to do this screening. Please continue your hard work, keep it up. Then we can celebrate our next important milestone in K2 journey in December.
Hi everyone. Today we have reached our milestone of 500 patients. Congratulations and thank you very much for all the hard work. It had not been an easy journey. We had rises and falls which made us stronger to overcome all sort of difficulties, barriers and reach our target. Now we have another 150 to reach our main target of 650. Let's do it together. Let's brace ourselves to face challenges and reach the K2 summit before 1st December 2020. Thank you.
Standing at the interim milestone of 500 with the K2 summit of 650 in sight, it has been an eye-opening journey for all of us. We have been leading recruitment since 2018 and as of now, over 65% of global recruitment has been done by Remedians. We have always maintained a query rate of less than 25 open queries.
As you all know, Trident is one of the largest clinical trials in the world, and as of now, the team NCTH were able to screen 82 patients along with the support of our valuable PIs, the co-Is, the sub-investigators and the study nurses. And also I should appreciate the support given from my peers. And also I think being a senior CRC, recruiting ICH patients has been one of the most challenging experiences I had throughout my career. And also I think during the past pandemic time periods we had ups and downs, but with the new normal we were able to bounce better and to perform far more better than the past days. And I'm pretty sure that we would be able to climb up the K2 mountain within the targeted time period. All the best, guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Soumya Narayane from Site 94024 Kurunegala. Back in 2017, we were able to recruit the first subject into the study from Sri Lanka. Starting from 2017 up until now, we were able to recruit 81 subjects into the study. Past 3 years has been quite a journey. We have gained a lot. We have gained a lot of experience. We have improved a lot. And I'm pretty sure by the end of this year we will be able to reach the top of the K2 mountain, and we will be able to reach a target number of 650 recruited subjects without a doubt. Good luck everyone, and thank you.
Hi, I'm Netmini from Kandy site. Actually, Trident study was not easy. Finding patients, recruiting them and following up with them was hard. But in this K2 journey, as a team, I think we have overcome this challenge.
Hello, I'm Dilshan. Everything was challenging since I'm new to this place, but I'm very happy to be a part of this team.
Actually, Trident was not only the job, but it was a lifetime experience for all of us. Thank you.
Though numerous storms and setbacks were placed in front of us, we managed to persevere because of the commitment and dedication of you all. Now the K2 summit is almost reachable, just 150 patients away from conquering our own K2. Reaching the summit of 650 will no doubt bring many more obstacles and challenges. But we are strong as one team. We have the know-how to think out of the box and to come up with solutions to any challenge.
Hi guys, it's great to be back doing what I love the most, which is actually being with you all. After my knee surgery, I ended up with a bad, life-threatening medical emergency which actually got me through a near-death experience. Learned a lot, pushed hard and survived with the grace of God and with the love of you all. Today, we are here to celebrate a great moment that we have been waiting for a very long time, which is enrollment of 500 subjects for the whole Trident study. This project was never an easy journey. I know from the very beginning it has had its own rough rides, ups and downs all the time, but the team has been together, understanding its capacities, understanding the project's requirements and needs, and we were able to achieve this task today. And congratulations to each and every one of you. You have done great. You have done very well. We have a big journey in the month of December, so keeping that in mind, I congratulate you all for the lovely journey, for the things that you have achieved today. So take a bow, congratulations again, and all the best to the whole team.
Let us continue in the same spirit without losing sight of our purpose, which is to make the lives of our patients better. All the best.